यो वेलकम बैक एवरीबॉडी। आज आवाज कैसी है वो बताओ। आज आवाज कैसी है वो बताओ। आई विल फॉलो माय रूल विथ प्रॉपर सिस्टम एंड माइंडसेट। यस सर, यस सर। डब्ल्यू 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 डब्ल्यू। ऑलराइट गाइस, व्हाट्स अप एवरीबॉडी। आज तो एफओएमसी वॉलेटिलिटी रहेगी। आई डोंट नो, विल फाइंड आउट। दैट्स व्हाई वी आर हियर। हेलो सैम, बस बढ़िया। आप बताओ कैसे हैं। FOMC today, yes, so many, I think earnings also gonna come out today, so it's gonna be fun. We gonna be have to be like very careful, but again, who knows. भाई लूसिड का 50% ऑफ वापिस आएगा? नहीं 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 नहीं, नहीं आया अभी। 40% ऑफ ही है अगर 5 अकाउंट नहीं खरीदे तो। I will put this over here. All right, let me see. Bull, what's his name? His name is NQ. My little NQ. Touch his balls for like good luck. Are you close to a payout, Abhishek bhai? If you, I mean, if you say, am I eligible for it? Yes. Do I want to take it out? No. आज BTC ट्रेड किया नहीं, अभी भी मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ भाई। वो ट्रेडिफाई क्रिप्टो एंड ट्रेडिफाई फ्यूचर्स इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम, आई थिंक, इन माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। दे आर नॉट एज फास्ट एज आई थॉट दे वुड बी। दे आर प्रीटी स्लो। So if I had like green month with 12 winning trades, what are the odds of passing yours? High odds. And with all the rules, what would you do after this date? I think I will just trade props for a while until I make good amount of money from the props. Today's trade, I took one trade in the morning which was like 5-minute block. It did work out for me. So yeah, that was only 10 pointer trade with negative RR. ना एक्टिवेशन पे कभी काम नहीं करेगा। एक्टिवेशन पे कभी काम नहीं करते डिस्काउंट कोड्स। जस्ट रिमेंबर ऑन फ्यूचर फर्म्स, जस्ट इवाल्स। और कितने अकाउंट आई शुड कीप इट इन माइंड कि इतना इन्वेस्ट हो सकता है? लेट्स से 5 to 6 accounts if you have good win ratio to get your first payout. It's gonna take that much. And why my mouse is lagging for some reason? Look at this. Hello, wake up. Shouldn't lag when I'm trying to take a trade because it's fast. कौन सा CFD क्रिप्टो के लिए ना? आई यूज ट्रेडिफाई क्रिप्टो प्रॉप फॉर्म। आई मीन यूज क्या, एक ही अकाउंट लिया है आज तक और वो पास किया है। नहीं, 2 अकाउंट लिए। 25K का लिया था जो मैंने बिल किया था, एंड एक 100K का जो पास किया है मैंने। बट आई बीन वेटिंग फॉर देम टू लाइक रिव्यू माई अकाउंट एंड पास इट। नॉट दैट फास्ट। ट्रेडिफाई फ्यूचर्स बहुत फास्ट है। Alright, let's focus on the market right now, and then we have something special later on the stream. We are 10 seconds away from opening. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, if you don't want to change it, don't change it. It's as simple as that. Why you want to force something on yourself? Okay, direction is for now to the downside if you want the bias. Okay, until we get to this 1 hour FPG at 119 below us, and like we can get some fake out to the upside before going down, so be very careful about that. And that's the only cent 2 cent on direction, because I'm not gonna need it. All right. Tradeify crypto, is it worth it? I'll let you know, guys. I'll let you know. And let me try few crypto firms from India and like outside as well, and I'll let you know which one is the best. It's just side quest for me. Okay, I'm not taking it that seriously. And if you haven't made, let's say, $100,000 from future firms yet in total, just stick to one thing first. Learn one thing, master one thing, and then move on to other one. I'm not saying कि मैंने master कर लिया है, but it's just something to do, because I have nothing to improve as of now other than rules and psychology, blah blah blah. Best of luck, bro. I'll come later. Yes, let's finish the trading and then we'll talk more about that. We are bearish. That's one point to notice. This is first 3 to 5 minutes, so we're gonna be very careful. Good morning from Dubai. Hello from India. हाँ, वो क्योंकि मेरी वाइड स्क्रीन है तो वो थोड़ा एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा तुम लोगों को. माय बैड पीपल. Today will be the day for requesting from Lucid Max. No. I haven't bought accounts yet. Lucid Max वाले मैं buy करूँगा जब मेरा एक अच्छा खासा payout आ जाएगा. I've been lacking on payout side. This is 1 minute block. Looks good, but again, not gonna take it. It's just too early for me to take it. It's gonna chill out. What strategy does KJ Future trades on? I don't know. I know him. Like I no means I have seen him on Twitter X. Do you use ATM orders? Yes, I do. I do use ATM orders. ATR कैसा है boys? Let's see. Ooh, too good. We are heavily bearish on the side. So again, if you can find a trade somewhere around here, will be the risky one. But now that we have closed strong, I do like it. I'm gonna try it and see how it works out. Still early, so if you don't wanna be risky on this one, just skip this one. Wait for the next one. And I'm break even on this now. Doesn't matter what happens. And that's a TP. Beautiful. One trade done. Total of $1,000 booked on this. $200 per trade. Sorry, $200 per account. 5 accounts, $1,000. Yes, brother. I am planning to like 50k from Lucid and 50k from Tradeify or MFF. Yeah, good luck. Good luck. All three firms you named are good. They will pay you instantly. So that's no worry about that. For beginner 25k is gonna be the best. Do you plan to shift to Dubai? I don't think so. Not worth it for now. Do you use auto break even? No, I just do it. Beautiful trade of this block. I decided first not to take it, but then I saw a close and how we held that low for a little longer, and then that block become A plus for me. Okay. इनबिल्ट कॉपियर पे काम नहीं करेंगे शॉर्ट्स, यू विल हैव टू बाय अ ट्रेड सिंकर और समथिंग लाइक दैट, तो वो कॉपी करेंगे बी एट 7 और 8 if you wanna like 8. I just do it at 8 or 8.5, something like that, but yeah, 8 is the number you wanna be at. I have traded 35 accounts running maximum at one moment, 20 from Apex and like 4 different firms and 15 from 3 other firms. You don't trade with Apex now? I cannot trade with Apex now. I'm banned from the Apex. 2025 में मैंने बहुत पैसे बनाए. Most of the money that I made, like 200, जो भी $215,000 बनाए थे, उसमें से 30-40% were from like Apex. Why is Trade Sinker so expensive compared to Trade Copy? Any other that you would suggest? I've been using Trade Sinker and I rarely had any issue, and that's what I think that's what matters to me the most. मेरे लिए, and it doesn't mess around a lot, right? Trade Copier is like relatively new, and I don't know how that works. Okay, लोग use करते हैं and it works out for them, but I've been always using Trade Sinker. अब आप Lucid Max ही ले सकते हो, Lucid Flex will नहीं. I can only purchase Lucid Max accounts and I love those accounts. Okay, I will be back on Lucid as soon as possible. Okay, I don't want to trade like multiple account at the time because I'm just shifting to negative RR. I mean, like अभी शुरू किया है, तो I'm gonna get used to it, and then जब live account मिलेगा, account evaluation account pass करूँगा Lucid में, then मुझे डायरेक्ट लाइव अकाउंट मिलने वाला है. तो आई एम गोना गो फॉर डेली पे आउट्स, लाइक स्मॉल हिट्स, लाइक $400 अ डे, $2,000 टोटल 5 अकाउंट से. आई एम गोना बिल्ड दैट एंड देन लाइक maybe swing trading later on. Swing trading means like if I trade Asia and then held it through, but for that I need to build buffer through negative RR. Why 10 ticks and 35 ticks SL? Ticks नहीं, points. 10 points. टिक्स, लाइक टिक्स में बोलोगे तो 40 टिक्स का टीपी रहेगा, एंड लाइक 35 into 4 140 टिक्स का एसएल. I've been using from last, not even a single issue from Trade Copy. Yeah, if you like Trade Copy, it is like I'm not promoting any of those. It just said I use Trade Sinker and never had any issue. ऑप्शन बाय भी इंडिया मार्केट में करो? नो, आई एम गुड टू बी ऑनेस्ट. कितने पे आउट लेने पर शिफ्ट होते हैं लूसिड मैक्स पे? आई थिंक मोर देन समवेयर अराउंड. इट्स जस्ट दैट लूसिड मैक्स स्टेटस उनके लिए जो पे आउट मैक्स करते हैं ऑलवेज, लाइक 5 अकाउंट गोज फॉर मैक्सिमम पे आउट ऑल द टाइम. सो इवन इफ दे आर मूव टू लाइक लाइव, वो 40-50 तो निकाल ही दिए होंगे 40-50 हज़ार डॉलर. मैंने पर्सनली 61 निकाले, 61 और 71. हेलो सोने, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. राइज में पे आउट आया है, बैंक विड्रॉल में 93 का रेट आ रहा है, पर P2P में 99 मिल रहा है. मुझे कोई इश्यू नहीं आएगा ना P2P का? मुझे क्या पता, मैं इंडियन गवर्नमेंट थोड़ी हूँ. बट हाँ, मैं तो बैंक में ही लेता हूँ. अगर मुझे कोई अकाउंट्स लेने इन द फ्यूचर तो मैं डायरेक्ट रेड डॉट पे में लेके यूज़ कर लेता हूँ. दैट्स व्हाट आई डू. ब्रोकर अकाउंट अभी, सी ऑन द साइड आई डू एवरीथिंग which I don't talk about here, but just that there is a pressure always gonna be trading one broker, and I'm getting used to it, and then we'll share something on what I do there. 1 minute OB long, yes, that is a good OB. We haven't tapped it yet, but again, I don't like it. I'm gonna stay away from it. Gonna see if I can find like bearish block rather than like bullish block, क्योंकि डायरेक्शन डाउन साइड की है. अगर फेक आउट हुआ तो मैं स्टॉप आउट हो जाऊंगा ना. पहले 2 ट्रेड में मैं ज़्यादा रिस्क लेना नहीं चाहूँगा. लेटर ऑन जब मैं इस अकाउंट्स को प्रॉफिट में एंड अप करूँगा, क्लोज करूँगा, एंड देन लाइक अकाउंट को स्विच करूँगा, उसमें रिस्क लेना ज़्यादा पसंद करता हूँ मैं. ये काम तो आई मीन होपफुली कर जाएगा. आई डोंट नो. 79 to 89, लेट्स सी. ब्रेक इवन तो दे दिया उसने. 87, 89, टीपी भी हो गया. ब्यूटीफुल. हाँ, बस रेट और पे ले लो. अकाउंट लेने ही है आपको फ्यूचर में. अगर नहीं लेने अकाउंट तो मैं तो डायरेक्ट, आई नो 6 रुपीज कैन बी टू मच पर डॉलर, बट अगेन आई डोंट वांट द हैसल कि भाई मैं किसी बंदे को ढूंढूं और भाई P2P सेल करूँ, अकाउंट फ्रीज हो जाए, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. मुझे वो नहीं करना. मैं एक ही कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा हूँ, 1 मिनी. भाई पे आउट के सर्टिफिकेट डाला करो. जो आता है वो मैं डालता हूँ, नहीं आते नहीं डालता हूँ. You have seen total of $63,000 worth of certificates on my Instagram. You'll find it somewhere around here and there. जय पवार भाई, आप थोड़ा, आपकी सुबह हो गई है तो आपको नहीं पता है तो बता देता हूँ. मेरा लूसिड का अकाउंट आई थिंक 4th-5वें दिन उड़ गया था जब मुझे मिला था. अब मेरे पास लूसिड मैक्स स्टेटस आ गया है, जहाँ पे मैं डायरेक्ट लाइव शिफ्ट होऊंगा हर बार जब इवैल्यूएशन पास करूंगा. उस पैन लाइक वो कूलिंग पीरियड को भी 4 वीक हो गए. तो आई थिंक यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. यू शुड दो. होपफुली यू डू to stay updated. Hello Ron, welcome to the stream. Good to see you back. Good to see you too, my guy. And we are back on the negative hour, by the way. I'm wearing like normal cash, you know. It's rough and tough. So again, I go gym wearing this. How long was the cooling period for Lucid, and what about Tradify? I think it will be under 1 month. For Lucid, it's 2 weeks, and for Tradify, it has to be somewhere around 2 weeks or 4 weeks, 1 month. आज तो गिव अवे होगा. मैं वॉचिंग देख लेता हूँ ना, मुझे पता है सालों तुम बंदे को. हाँ, डिसेंट, नॉट गोना लाई. Okay, now if we close about this, because this block has worked out, the other one I think has worked out. If we close strong, we're gonna do. Can't you open Apex account on family member? I don't wanna do that, to be honest. If I'm banned, I'm banned. Fuck it, you know. Yes, they are on the trader website. They will let you choose your platform, whatever they have available. Mostly it's gonna be like rhythmic connection, Tradeweight or rhythmic connection. I think they are consolidating before we go down. बिकॉज ये जो वीकली ओपन गैप है वो अभी फील नहीं हुई है नीचे. इफ यू सर्च इट लाइक जूम आउट ऑन द चार्ट, I'm gonna try to take this short of 67 and see if it works out. Can be the fake out to the downside, whatever. And I'm gonna try it. Because downside is what I'm looking at. 60, 59. Now I'm gonna go break even on this now to see. Okay, बच गए हम. Come on, now dump it. Man, that's a break even. Fuck it. I almost ran my TP and that's like sucks. I think we're gonna go dump later on, but I cannot take risk after going like running 8 points in profit. Let's see if it actually goes, or did break even save us. 67. Wow, it did save us. Crazy. पर स्टॉप लॉस बहुत ऊपर है हमारा अभी भी, so वही चीज है. It did it save us. Really it did. Glad that I went break even like right there. क्योंकि वही चीज है, ये लो स्वीप हो गया इधर. You gotta be very careful about those. Two minutes will have to close strong. भाई वो कल का लौंडा था ना एनबी ट्रेड्स, वो बोल रहा था आज लाइव पे आपसे सीखा हूँ. हाँ, NB trade who? I don't remember. Bro, why don't you show your live VNL? Because I don't want to. Because if you wanna believe me, or it's fine. Or you wanna hit Nirjal. Oh, if you're talking about Nirjal, yes. He did. बट साले $6-7 उसमें खा गए. I gotta be very careful about placing my break even one tick above or like 67, and I got bought at 61, 67.50. So there was some slippage, like slowly. नेक्स्ट जब खुलेगा आपको पता चल जाएगा. इंस्टाग्राम अगर फॉलो करते हो तो पता चल जाएगा. If you look at ES has been bearish again to taking long trades. Gonna be very tough for me to be honest, like very tough. ES फंस चुका है, वही चीज है. I don't see NQ staying up there. Very opposite direction for both the indices. Everyone was, I think, struggling at that point, and then I introduced the concept about taking base hits. Again, अब उन्होंने थोड़ी स्ट्रेटेजी चेंज कर दी होगी, बट इनिशियली सबका पे आउट वही के बेस हिट्स लो पे आउट लॉक करो एंड मूव ऑन, वही वाली चीज की थी सबने। When markets are little bit struggling to follow through, that's what I suggest to everybody, like take base hits, move on, base hits, move on. Wow, 1 minute gonna close stronger than I thought it would. Even 2 minute close like very far. Gonna see if I can place order there when market comes back down. I'm gonna call it if I do place a order on that 1 minute block. Alright, I'm placing order at 95. Let's see on that 1 minute block. Let's see if we get tapped or not. Look at this. Order is still there. Not gonna touch it till like we completely flip this candle. Yes, it's turning around. If you can see, like cannot really see on my screen, but तुम्हारी स्क्रीन पे एटलीस्ट दिखेगा तुम्हें. We have inverted this 1 minute, like look at this 5-minute chart. We are going up, yes, gonna follow through, so it can be flipped around, but I'm gonna be very careful on this trade, by the way. Okay, and if I take loss on this trade, I'll close minus $500 on the day and be done with it. 03 is where I'm looking to go. 03, 04, somewhere around that. Let's see if ES can come back up, because looks like ES is struggling a lot to come back. This doesn't drag NQ down with it. That's what we want. It should not. Alright, then that's a TP. Beautiful. 3 trades, 1 break even, 2 TPs, and done for the day. Beautiful. Okay, I wasn't taking longs on these blocks because I wasn't sure that direction is gonna be to the upside, right? Because it can be a fake out. Of course, we took 1 trade there after getting double confirmation, but again, these until this point I was bearish, and then seeing this move to the upside. If you see, okay, let me zoom out, let me just open one chart so you guys can understand better. Okay, until this moment right there, let's see candle by candle. Okay, until this moment we were bearish for sure, because we had closed like below this candle, and overall high time frame was bearish, everything was there, right? So हम bearish थे उसके लिए, and then we took this short. But to keep it in mind के in न्यूयॉर्क सेशन रिवर्सल देता है, न्यूयॉर्क सेशन लोअर टाइम फ्रेम में से बहुत सारे रिवर्सल देता है. इट्स गोना टेक सम लिक्विडिटी आउट एंड रन टू द अदर साइड for overall to go down later on, right? So look at how next candles printed. Look at this displacement, the close above this, the structure shift in the market, right? And that was it. समझ रहे हो ना? and not taking any more trades. Hopefully you understood what I'm trying to say. There is 1 minute whatever, but I'm not gonna touch it as of now. And it's like 25 minutes in the session and we are done. I'm up somewhere around $570 after that break even slippage and everything. I took one trade in the morning, 2 trades here. That's all and done. $600 somewhere. Let's just round it, figure it to $500. Even though there is $566 with 5 accounts, that's $2,500. Why don't you trade gold? Never traded gold. No one can do that. If you wanna take the same risk, you can, because you're gonna find too many trades. Now, sir. Right? If you wanna go with 1 mini, go with 1 mini. 2 mini will be too much for like on the 50K account for some people. All right. 27% consistently. What does 27% consistently means? Damn knows. Damn knows what I'm doing. I don't know which website that I signed up to for giveaway last time. Do you guys know? इस पे मैंने पैसे दिए थे जिस पे हम गिवअवे करने वाले थे ऑल द टाइम. मुझे ढूंढना पड़ेगा. 700 रिस्क. स्पिन द व्हील तो मुझे भी पता है, बट कौन सी वेबसाइट थे वो? तुम सबने साइन अप किया था ना? नहीं नहीं, ये नहीं था. जब मैं 2 मिनट दो, मैं ढूंढ निकालूंगा, क्योंकि उस पे सब कुछ है, ऑलरेडी सॉर्टेड है. ओके, वेबसाइट मिल गई मुझे। ईमेल मिलना ज़रूरी है। ये रहेगा। ही। मिल गई भाई, मिल गई। All right, say now. But try to register on those guys. See if you can register. Once you register, I'll get all the names and then we'll do the spin the wheel. Okay. Let me know if you can register or not. And enter the email which is your Lucid email. Okay, not any other email. Let me just check myself. Can I do it or not? Yes, I can. Okay, I'm registering myself so I can check. लिंक डिस्कॉर्ड में भी डाल दिए मैंने, वही लिंक है. अरे वो प्राइस वाइज वो नहीं, मैं सिर्फ लीड्स ले रहा हूँ गाइस, डोंट वरी. वो प्राइस तुम नहीं जीत रहे, वो कुछ नहीं जीत रहे. मैं तुम जितने भी लोग एंटर हुए हो सबका मैं नाम लूंगा एंड लेटर ऑन देन जीता हूँ. आई मीन विल. Okay guys, you have 10 more, okay, 1 more minute. At 10:10 we'll do the spin the wheel. Price 6-1. No, you're not winning anything guys, just wait it out. Okay, and giveaway is 150k Lucid Flex account, by the way, which is worth more than 25,000 rupees. If you saying, if you don't have account with Lucid, let me give you the link. तुमने जो भी ईमेल गिव में डाला है उसी ईमेल से तुम साइन अप कर सकते हो. This is Lucid's भाई ईमेल मत दिखाना स्ट्रीम पर गाइस, डोंट वरी। ओके, मेरा ईमेल लीक है, कोई कुछ नहीं करता। अरे मुझे जो firm partnered with the firm, if firm says to do that, I'm gonna do that. Okay, I cannot choose what I. If there are certain amount of accounts that are available to purchase, that's what I do, right? Okay, okay, time is up. There are 66 entries, by the way. 66 people entered. That is crazy. First of all, no, इधर नहीं. Anyways, everybody knows everybody's name. Don't worry. Is around 30 maybe. Stop. All right, let's go, baby boys and girls. Ready? 150K. Okay, तुम्हें दिख ही नहीं रहा। भाई मैं खुद नहीं लिख रहा, आपने जो लिखा है वही आ रहा है। ओके, डोंट ब्लेम मी। How the fuck? Okay, let me just do one thing. There will be another chance if you missed out. Okay, don't worry. Tomorrow there will be another chance. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. You ready, boys? You ready? No way. Next missed out, bro. That is insane. That was some painful thing to happen. That is crazy. And by the way, who won? Path won. Path. He spelled it wrong. And if I'm correct, I know who this is. Wow, that is crazy. Alright, congratulations. You win 150k flex account. Uh, email will be sent. You will receive the code by, I think, tomorrow. And congratulations. Okay. We wanna do one more. We wanna do one more, guys. We wanna do one more today and then maybe one more tomorrow. Okay. Alia, okay. I know who you are. I know who you are. If you missed it, you missed my stream. Okay, I've been saying it. I said it yesterday. I said it today. You missed my stream. I cannot blame it, and I cannot put it on my people who has already been on stream. Okay, who has already been on stream. If you missed it today, come back tomorrow. Sign up. Be on stream daily, and maybe you will win. 150k flex account. Let's go, baby boys. Chirag. Okay, I'm gonna screenshot both of you now so I can remember where to email. Chirag, Chirag. Congratulations to both of you. We just gave away 300k worth of evals. Alright, thank you guys for joining. We'll do some giveaway in the near future. But for now, that was it for the giveaway. People who joined it for the giveaway, it's your time to go. कौन है चिराग, by the way? Who is Chirag? Does he claim the thing? Is it Chika himself? Oh, wow. Nice. Congratulations, you will get the email tomorrow. Or if not tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, you will get it. Just be patient with it. Good day overall. Closing in on more than $550 on all my 5 accounts. Gonna take a chill pay. For me, it's not like that. If you enter enough, it's all about probabilities. Maybe Parth and Chirag has entered more giveaway than you, so their luck has upcoming like वो आने ही वाला था और आ गया, तुम्हारा नहीं आया. It's nothing. You got nothing to lose, guys. You come here, you learn, you win some giveaway, you lose some giveaway. It's fine. Chill. And there will be always a giveaway. If like every month, mid-month, we're gonna do more giveaway. Okay, and I will remember this from the next month that I will request some 25k accounts and more accounts so I can give away more accounts to, like, it can reach different people than like a huge chunk of eval, like 150k eval ending up with one guy, you know. But anyways, I'm happy for people who won. And yeah. There will not be, Kishan, too, unfortunately. Maybe enter 4 more months. Yeah, I know, Sujal. मेंटरशिप का गिव, चलो मेंटरशिप वालों का गिव हम कल करते हैं गाइस. ओके, आज मुझे कोड वैसे भी नहीं मिलने वाला, आई विल हैव टू गेट इट, सब कल करते हैं। बट कल ये जो 12 मेंबर हैं उनमें से ही करेंगे, मतलब जो 13-14 मेंबर अभी बैठे हैं उनमें से करेंगे। अभी मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया है। cool, alright, see you guys tomorrow, love you all, peace, bye bye, take care.